Hi, I'm Andrea. Welcome to my channel. It's on day 2 of the show. I wasn't going to come Saturday initially. I was going to spend all day around Birmingham, but we decided to come along this day. I got a free ticket was not taken up by another member of the club, so sorry, just my thing, so I don't get strangled. And so I'm here on day 2, and this is I'm going to find there's a club or something I've heard about, LGBT club, so I'm going to have a look at theirs. I think they're over sort of where I'm walking, and somewhere anyway, so yeah, I'm going to see if I can find them, and have another look at the metros as well, sort of down here somewhere as well. So there's a very bright green metro there, and which is an early one, I think. I think so, it might be a prototype. And, so anyway, so catch you all later. Yeah, that's really nice, and yeah, it's a Bedford van, and yeah, on the side there you've got yeah, so it's a little ladies van there, so yeah, brilliant. So that's really great. So and what these are, could use that as something practical to run around in. It's a leg road there, on sort of jacked up, and doing something to it. I hope they get it fixed in time to for tomorrow when the show closes, so don't be stranded here all week or all month. But yeah, that's great. So wow, and I think I've seen DeLorean over there. So I'll have a look. Hi, yeah, okay. Nice. So Back to the Future. So yeah, the DeLorean. They've got a flux capacitor on board, but yeah, I always loved the DeLoreans. I think they're really great cars, and just really cool, aren't they? Just got that classic sort of almost futuristic shape, and you know, kind of very angular, very sporty cars. Really good, and yeah, I don't know how much they are to buy or to own or to run, but anyway, so yeah, some great brilliant cars. It's got the Phantom Plus one, I think. So yes, it is Phantom Plus 1500. So along with a posher interior. Well, in need of a bit of restoration, but yeah, so it'll be posher once it's done. Yeah, Rover Metro GTI here, and so that's looks like it's in a little bit of need of some restoration, a little bit I think there, but again, yeah, I remember the Rover Metro GTI. So the Saab turbo gauge. Yeah, brilliant. So yeah, so that's it's not the 900 turbo, I think it's the 9000, yes it is, Saab 9000 turbo. I remember the 900 turbos, there's one to win one on a album by ABBA. They had a competition, what is their Super Trooper album, I think, when it first released. I remember that, I was only a kid at school then, and of course I didn't win it though, and but still, it's worth a try. So yeah, here I'm next to the Metro Homes Club, and this green Metro, it's very similar to my blue one I've got at home, but I think it's got this been restored, I've been told, so it's absolutely immaculate condition. It's probably better than it was until that show. It's a couple of the production line. It's really nice condition, and of course, when you've got cars like this, you think, you know, you want to use them, but then you think, oh, it's a shame to use it, sort of thing, or at least use it a lot. So, yeah, but that is, absolutely immaculate. That is. I don't know what it costs to do my metro up to that standard, but well, of course, fair bit anyway. But there's one here that's actually a sort of barn find, and apparently this one's quite an early one as well, and so it's sort of quite a significant model, and so it's obviously a bit full. Rust underneath, of course, and does need sort of quite so contrast there. You've got that green one there, perfect, pristine, and this one is kind of very much needs a lot of restoration. Actually, it needs more restoration than what my Metro does. So I'm quite pleased about that. Well, not pleased, you know, but pleased that my Metro is not in such as poor a state as quite a few cars I've seen today. So it gives me sort of confidence that I can get my Metro on the road at some stage. So yeah, so that might be sort of project to do. You know, try and maybe video that, getting that sorted out. But yeah, that's great. Yeah, brilliant. That is superb, isn't it? I mean, you know, it's I mean, yeah, it's only a basic car, but when you see them like that in that condition, it's fantastic. So yeah, so I'm gonna have another little look around, one or two things, and then so this won't be a hugely long video. Most likely, I'm not sure, I can't remember what segments I've filmed now on here, and so anyway, I'll see you all shortly. To Wolseley Princess, and got, I think this looks like, is it the Wolseley 6-cylinder engine, so is it, I think it's 2,200cc, I think, and yeah, so it's got 4 headlights at the front. So yeah, this is remember Dad had the Austin Princess sort of thing, and that was an 1800. That was really nice as well. But the Wolseley is the luxury model, of course, and so this one is a little bit plusher inside, I think. So yeah, so this one's really nice, and yeah, that's we've got a metallic brown here, and this one is again another 6-cylinder Wolseley, so that's really good. So yeah, really great. Yeah, the Wolseley, or the Princess itself, gave a really lovely ride, and the one we had was sort of really nice, very comfortable to ride in, and it was earlier Dad had that's the Wolseley 1885 Land Crab, which was that was really nice, comfortable to ride in as well, and remember that, and he had a dark red one, I think it was, and that was yeah, so really nice. So yeah, some amazing cars here, and yeah, so some people loved them, some people hated them, but I imagine these people sort of love them because obviously they're enthusiasts, and yeah, it's great to see the cars. The Allegro, apparently, I think when I saw a film on the original designs of the Allegro, it's actually quite a sleek looking car, but then of course the committee came along at British Leyland and said no, and they kind of chopped down the front and chopped the back and made it quite stubby, and so we ended up with the Allegro we all know and today. I say all know and love, perhaps, you know, but yeah, it looked really cool. The original design, very sleek and amazing, really, but it did great. I think also the Ambassador, which is the replacement to the Princess over there, that was originally, that was what I heard from a guy who's on the design team, said the original Ambassador was going to be a really nice car, really good car, but then again the committee came along and cut corners, and it was not as good as what they intended it to be, of course. I often wondered what the cars would be like if they actually made them how the original design team wanted them to be, rather than just cutting corners and penny pinching. But then again, of course, the cars probably cost a lot more money, and I suppose they have to fit them into certain budget and certain segment of the market, of course. And so yes, so again, of course, the marinas here, and again, these were again a car some people loved, some people didn't like so much. And but now, of course, because they're older, classic cars, people remember them when they were younger, or when they were kids and their dads had them and things. So yeah, it's really great. So there's one there on, well, I say 2 wheels, I think the wheels are up. I think so. Yeah, so I don't know if they're doing something to the car, but again, it's a restoration show as well, so it's not just about pristine cars. And so, which is really great. So again, I'm not going to do too much video today because I'll be here again tomorrow and might do a little bit more video. But again, the Birmingham here, these are great little cars as well, and it's quite sporty cars. I don't know a huge amount about Birmingham, what the performances were and everything, but I know they used them in racing or rallying or something as well. And so yeah, it's really great. And they're rear-ended cars, which were sort of like, I suppose you give a lot of traction over the back wheels, but yeah, so they were sort of great cars in the day, sort of fun cars. And so yeah, there's some amazing cars here. Anyway, so I'm going to find I'll sign off, or find the green metro and sign off. Okay. So found the green metro again, and so I'm going to sign off for today, and I'm going to get a cup of tea and join the rest of the gang on the Midas stand. And so yeah, so thank you all for watching again today, and hopefully I'll be doing a bit more video tomorrow. And so hopefully you don't get too sick of cars and things and me showing you around the cars. But anyway, so see you all. Well, say tomorrow, really. So okay, thanks for watching, and remember, please like and subscribe. And so Andrea here from around the classic car and restoration show from the NEC. Okay, bye. Thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you've really enjoyed it. And please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to get notifications for future videos.